Hi, I'm Mr. Kozak, welding instructor at Upper Bucks County Technical School. In order to be successful in my program, you need to be able to do basic math, you need to be able to have a good work ethic attitude, and you also need to be able to work in individual and group settings. Students can always expect to learn safety. No matter if you're level 1, 2, 3, or 4, we always start out with safety. We'll first learn how to cut metal properly on this ironworker machine, and you'll learn everything from stick welding to oxy-fuel cutting in your first year. Here we have our first machine that you'll see is a level 1. It's a Miller XMT 304, and your first few projects are going to be done with stick welding. That piece you saw us cut over on the ironworkers right here, and after you get done with your first project with stick, it's going to look something like this. This is known as a pad of beads. And then we move on to fillet welds and other various projects during your first year. Here we have another Miller XMT machine, but this one is set up for flux core welding, which is a form of gas metal arc welding. Here's one of the projects you'll be able to complete with this, probably around your level 2. Okay, there's multiple positions for multiple different welds on this plate. You'll do many projects like this throughout your time here at UBCTS. And here we have a more portable welder, a Millermatic 140, for doing small projects around the shop. Here's an example of a small project we might get in. We also might do some repair work with this machine, and it might even be a machine that you want to consider for your home garage. You'll also learn TIG welding here at UBCTS. You'll complete projects on carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. The one I'm holding right here is made of stainless steel. You'll also learn how to read a blueprint and decipher welding symbols during your time here. This is actually a test that you'll take for AWS or American Welding Society performance qualification test. And here's a track torch machine that you'll use to cut bevels for groove welds. That's another American Welding Society performance qualification you'll take. It uses an oxy-fuel torch on a motorized system to cut a bevel out, just like this one. Once you cut out 2 bevel plates, you'll tack them together and weld them out in either a 3G or 4G position and cut out sample pieces that we bend to see if they break. If they don't break or have any other discontinuities, it's considered a pass test. Here we have a shape cutting project that you'll complete as a level 1 using an oxygen acetylene torch. Not only will you create shape cut projects, but you'll also do hand bevels like the one you see here, and other various heating and cutting projects.